So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. Looks like the stylist is adding in some highlights. Oh, now this is beautiful. It's kind of like a subtle money piece highlight look that she did here. And she also went a little bit darker in the back. Very pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you've been on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're looking to do something new and different with your strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like we have a bob makeover here with this beautiful pink tone. I absolutely love the hair coloring on this. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, so we didn't get to see what happens, but I thought she wanted a pink bob. Alright, so moving on to the next one, we have someone with mid-length hair. Oh, wow, what a gorgeous bob makeover. The stylist did like a really pretty ombre color, which is also a huge trend that has managed to make a comeback this season. This bob has so much volume with the tousled curls. Very nice. And then we see someone with blonde shoulder-length hair decide to get a nice little Bixie or pixie bob haircut. This one has kind of like the Bardo Farrah Fawcett style bangs going here with the layers. Very pretty. And then we see someone with blue hair. The stylist also has blue hair. Looks like she's getting a color refresh done here. of purple and pink. Oh, beautiful. And then we have some more bold colors here, pink and blue. It seems like the blue, purple, and pink color combo is starting a trend. Wow, so gorgeous. This is like really pretty unicorn colored hair. I love it. Very nice. And then we have another color change for our last transformation. She put some nice highlights in throughout and the money piece highlight trend. Very nice. A little bit of some face framing layers going here. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous coloring. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.